Part D. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. Why are viruses considered as being at borderline between living and non-living things? Answer. Viruses are considered as being at borderline between living and non-living things because they show features of both living and non-living things. When they are outside the body of host, example living plants, animals and others, they are considered as non-living things like salt and sugar. But when they are inside the body of host, it is considered as living things. Question number 2. What is fermentation? How is this process useful in food and beverage industries? Answer. Fermentation. Fermentation is an anaerobic process in which microorganisms like yeast or bacteria convert sugar into alcohol, acid and carbon dioxide. Fermentation process is very useful in food industries as well as beverage industries. Uses. Number 1. Makes batter soft and fluffy. Example idli, dosa, dhokla, etc. Number 2. Help dough rise and help in its proper cooking. Example bread and cake. Number 3. Convert juices into wine and cereals into beer. Number 4. Used in curd, cheese, vinegar and pickles making. Question number 3. In the absence of microorganisms, the earth would become a heap of dead plants and animals. Justify this statement. Answer. As we all know that decomposition, a process in which microorganisms eat dead plants and animals, break them into tiny parts and mix them back into the soil. Process is done by these microorganisms. If there will be no microorganisms on earth, then it would definitely become a heap of dead plants and animals because there will be no one who will send these remains back to the environment. As a result, they would keep on accumulating all around. Question number 3. Muna observe harvesting wheat. Number 1. Name the nutrient found insufficient. Answer. Nitrogen must be the nutrient found insufficient because as it is said that wheat crop was grown there. These crops need a lot of nitrogen for growth. That's why wheat crop yield got reduced. Number 2. How do you think growing peas will help in replenishing the soil? Answer. Pea plant have special nodules in their roots that gives shelter to nitrogen fixing bacteria called rhizobium bacteria. As the name suggested, nitrogen fixing bacteria will fix atmospheric nitrogen into its salt. Then these nitrogen salt will get used up by the plant. These bacteria will fix nitrogen from air to soil. It will increase its fertility. Thus, pea plant will help in replenishing the soil. The soil will regain its nitrogen nutrient and it will fix all problems. Question number 5. Why does it take less time to prepare curd in summers as compared to preparing it in winters? Answer. Curd forms when lactobacillus bacteria multiply in milk and convert milk into curd. This bacteria best multiply at warm temperature between 25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. In summers, the temperature is favorable, mean warm, and there is no need to cover the container to maintain its temperature. Thus, bacteria multiply faster and curd sets quickly. But in winters, the temperature is very low and the container need to be properly insulated to keep the temperature warm. So, as temperature is low and not favorable, it slows down bacterial growth. So, curd takes more time to form. Question number 6. How are the following diseases transmitted? A. Malaria. Answer. By the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. B. Common cold. Through cough or sneeze droplet in air. Number C. Tetanus. through wounds or cuts caused by rusty iron objects. D. Typhoid. Answer. Through contaminated food and water. Number 7th question. What are antibiotics? How are they produced? Give 2 examples of these. Answer. Antibiotics. Antibiotics are chemical substances produced by made from microorganisms that kill or stop the growth of bacteria. Produced antibiotics are obtained from certain microorganisms like fungi and bacteria. Examples: penicillin from Penicillium fungus. Number 2. Streptomycin from Streptomyces bacteria. Note: antibiotics do not work against viral disease. Thank you.